Hello, my name is David Schachter. I'm Senior Vice President at Gabelli Funds, and for 40 years I specialize in an overlooked area of investment, closed-end funds. Today, we're going to look at their incredible growth over the last few decades. Welcome to the Closed-End Corner, where we look at closed-end funds. Closed-end funds have been around a long time, a lot longer than my 40-year career. In the 18th century, British investment trusts were formed and provided capital for emerging markets, the United States. And if you wanted to participate in the Roaring '20s bull market, chances are the fund you bought was a closed end. However, let's take a quick look at the remarkable growth of closed-end funds over the last 4 decades. In 1985, it was back to the future, and we're going back again. This is how you got closed-end fund net asset values in newspapers, and they only appeared in certain papers on certain days, and the net asset values were often just weekly. This is how closed-end fund listings appeared in newspapers back in January 1985. Incredible. There's about 25 closed-end funds. Print space was about the size of a postage stamp. Can you recognize any of these names? As I said, closed-end funds have been around for a long time, a lot longer than mutual funds or ETFs. Several funds noted here predate and survive the Great Depression and still trade on the New York Stock Exchange. These include Adams Express, General American Investors, Tricontinental, and Central Securities. Also worth noting is Bancroft Convertible Fund, founded in 1971 by Ron Dinsmore. It's now part of the Gabelli family and trades under the ticker symbol BCV. In the future, we'll chat with several closed-end fund portfolio managers, but for now, let's fast forward to today's closed-end fund listings. But you can't even find them in newspapers anymore. In the 21st century, we now must go online to find closed-end fund net asset values. Here's how closed-end funds are currently listed. There's about 450 plus funds, with approximately $250 billion in assets. All the funds I mentioned before are still around too, listed under general equity funds. They continue to trade on the New York Stock Exchange, providing investors with long-term investment results. Also listed here is our largest fund, the Gabelli Dividend and Income Trust, with over $2.5 billion in assets, ticker symbol GDV. The rest of the listings reflect both the growth in each sector and many new sectors as well. It will require you to scroll down many pages. The closed-end fund industry has certainly grown over the last 40 years, and so has Gabelli. Our first closed-end fund, the Gabelli Equity Trust, began in August 1986. It's had several spin-offs, including the Gabelli Multimedia Trust, the Gabelli Utility Trust, and the Gabelli Healthcare and Wellness Trust. There are other Gabelli closed-end funds with common and preferred shares as well. To learn more about closed-end funds, visit us on the internet or just call our investor relations team. And keep watching Gabelli TV to learn more about closed-end funds. Thanks for watching.